Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and we're going to talk about how you can actually start dropshipping on Shopify. Now, if you don't have an account, don't worry, guys. You can click on the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a very interesting website, which is called Printful.com, and how that actually gets connected with Shopify and how you can use the power of Printful.com to ensure that you can sell amazing product on your Shopify account. Now, one of the major things that you need to understand is what is Printful. Now you can create and sell custom products online and turn your ideas into premium products that leave a lasting impression. But the main thing over here that really makes Printful stand out is the fact that there's no upfront fees and there is no order minimum required, and they have 439 premium products that are available and 1 million items are shipped every single month. Now, how can you fulfill your ideas with Printful? The thing which I want to mention over here, which is crucial, is that whenever you're drop shipping, one of the major things that we look at and one of the major things that we want to get is get a product as the bare minimum and then sell it at a very high price. And the profit margin is where the money is going to be. But with Printful, it takes the game to the next level. And obviously, when you see all these entrepreneurs and drop shippers making a lot of money, this is what they do. This is the strategy that they develop. And that is what we're talking about today. Now, one of the things that I personally feel has a huge impact is the fact that you can fulfill your ideas with Printful, meaning you can sell with print on demand, that you can sell custom products globally and save time while they print and they ship them for you on demand, meaning that you will advertise or you will put that product on your Shopify account and then you will link it to Printful.com. So whenever someone buys that particular product from your Shopify, all you need to do is place that order on Printful. They will ship it, they will print it, they will pack it, they will label it, and they will send it to your customer. At the end of the day, you will need to take hold and take care and look at all the advertising and the promoting and the printing and the labeling and the shipping. Printful will do everything for you. You will literally be working in partnership with Printful, and you can order for yourself as well. You can create products for yourself, for your loved ones, and anyone who appreciates thoughtful designs and premium quality. And you can use the warehouse and fulfillment service to store and sell your own products and promo material as well. Meaning there are a lot of individuals right now who have their products made and are designed, are ready to be sold, that are on Printful. And all you need to do is do a collaboration with them. So basically they have the ideas, they have everything ready, and what you're gonna do is that you could promote those particular products on your Shopify. So whenever someone comes to your Shopify account and wants to buy something and they buy it, in essence, all the hard work that needs to be done in the back end is being done by someone else. You're literally in partnership and making profit off that. There are 439 premium products that you can customize and sell, meaning they're printed and they're shipped on demand under your brand. They're eco-friendly, there's new products, they're premium products. There's so many elements that you can actually select, like hoodies and sweatshirts, patches, t-shirts, hat. And if you click on show more, you will look at the huge list that are available, from footwear, from dresses, skirts, jackets, bags, and the category is absolutely huge and easy to do, because once you connect your store to Printful and add your products and set your own retail price, and the customers buys from your store and they charge for the fulfillment and you keep the profit, and they take care of your order from A to Z, but you control the whole fulfillment process. And that is what really differentiates Printful from all the other platforms that are available. And that is one of the reasons that whenever someone watches our videos and asks a question to us, and I always mention to them that you got to make sure that you have a strategy that is scalable, you need a strategy that is successful, and you need a strategy that you're always in control of. When you give that control over to someone else, that is the time that you lose access to your business. And that is something that anyone that wants to do dropshipping needs to understand, because the aspect that comes from the whole business idea really reflects in the essence of the strategy building. And when you connect all these elements together and you keep control of every single element, you can ensure that the quality that the end user, the customer, is going to get is always going to be high. And whenever you get a customer a product which is of a high quality, you will convert that customer into a loyal customer. That is going to be your advertisement as well, because that customer is going to speak to other people and say, hey, listen, go to that Shopify store where I got this particular hoodie from. It was absolutely brilliant and it got got what I wanted, the quality is great, and obviously it will be recommended to other people, and that is how businesses tend to grow in the long term. That is what we call organic growth. And if you go for inorganic growth, then obviously you won't be making a steady amount of profit every single month. And the best thing over here is that your customer receives their order with your brand attached to it, and you don't need to do anything. You can connect Printful to the platforms of Shopify, ST, WooCommerce, but I personally believe that Shopify is one of the best platforms to get connected to. How do you start? It's very simple. It's very straightforward. You scroll up right over here. If you don't have an account, guys, don't worry. All you need to do is click on sign up. And once you click on sign up, you can easily sign in and register yourself by using your Facebook ID, your Google ID, or even signing up with Apple. Once you sign in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. And obviously, there's so many elements on the left-hand side, from orders, product templates, file library, stores, branding, billing, statistics, warehouse, partner programs as well. And this is what your dashboard is going to look like, guys. And you can choose a product and start designing it and selling it. And obviously, that is the reason why a lot of individuals right now are moving towards Printful.com, because it gives an option to individuals to take control of their life and their finances and their business. It's quite simple and straightforward, guys. All you need to do is click on new order, and once you do that, you need to follow the simple instructions that pop up. For example, we're going to do a basic order over here, and we're going to click on create your order. And once we do that, it's going to take us to the next page. Over here, we will select a particular product that we want to actually design. So we're going to go for men's clothing, and once we do that, we're going to go for a t-shirt over here. And obviously the shirt is something that we're going to design, something we're going to move forward with, and obviously put on our Shopify. And then by putting it on our Shopify, we would be able to actually get it out to our customers that come on our landing page. Once we've got these products over here, we need to select which one we want. Now, all of these are available. This is a bestseller over here, so we're going to go with the bestseller. And once we click on it, it's going to take us to the next page. On this page, we can do anything we want. We can do embroidery, we can do a DTG printing as well. We can put our design, anything and everything that we want. Is absolutely brilliant and very simple and easy to do, guys. And once we do that, we can add text, we can add clip arts, we can do everything and anything that we need. Now, as you can see, I've changed the color. I've put a image over here, aspire to inspire, and this looks absolutely brilliant. So once we like it, we're going to click on continue, and once we get this product over here, we can look at the quantity that we want to sell, the price it's going to be for, and what we're going to retail it. You can put it for $20, you can put it for $50, you can put it for $40. It really depends on how much profit you want to make at the end of the day. And that is the reason why I always recommend individuals to get those orders from Printful, because Printful, they have a lot of product templates that are available that you can select from. You can create something yourself, you can share something, you can develop something, and obviously have all of that on your Shopify account. And once you create your product, all you need to do is head over to Shopify.com and register. And if you don't have an account, don't worry, guys. Click in the description below and get Shopify for 90 days. It's quite simple and straightforward, and you can join the millions of entrepreneurs that are choosing Shopify to build their business, because you can bring your vision to life and you don't need any coding expertise. And obviously there's themes available, there's an app store they can connect, and Shopify gives you the ability to take control over your account, gives you an ability to take over your finances, and gives you an ability to take and control your finances as well. And that is the reason why I highly recommend to every individuals to use Shopify. If you have any questions whatsoever, guys, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, assist you, and guide you. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family so more people can find out how to use Printful.com and start selling on Shopify. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.